Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Discord on your Mac. To download and install Discord, go to your favorite browser, then search for Discord. Make sure you enter the official website, which says discord.com. And now you can just easily click on download for Mac, or you can open Discord in your browser, but I presume since you're watching a video about downloading it, you want to download it. When it's downloaded, you can go ahead and open this file by clicking on it. And now it will open you this pop-up. You can just drag Discord app to the applications folder and release. I already have Discord on my Mac, so I'm gonna stop it, but it will just copy just fine on your Mac. And then you'll be able to find Discord somewhere in your launchpad, or just click on command space and search for Discord. And it will show somewhere here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.